cast coil from Hanayama. We have two pieces, one silver, one golden piece. The goal is to take them apart and after put back them together. The starting positions will be this one, a silver piece and golden piece. I'm going to move only the golden piece and the silver piece going to stay always in the same positions. The first move will be to slide to the right the golden piece. And next I'm going to rotate clockwise the golden piece. Next I'm going to rotate but up the golden piece, so we just go rotate and up. The next move, the golden piece is going to be rotate around the silver piece this way. Piece go down. No, that's my positions. The next move, I'm going to rotate the golden piece toward me. If necessary, just play with up and down, try to find the right positions until the golden piece can rotate. Next, I'm going to rotate to the left the golden piece, and finally I'm sliding the golden piece, and like you can see, we succeed to take apart the two pieces. To put back, same position for the silver piece. That's the golden piece, and this golden piece is going to slide, see, and this part of the golden piece is going to slide through this opening, and we are in these positions. Next, I'm turning to the right and toward me the golden piece. Next, I'm rotate the piece to the back. To do it, that will be these positions, like that. Next, the golden piece going move around the silver piece, so just rotate this way. We are in these positions. I'm going to rotate the golden piece toward me. Now I'm rotate counterclockwise the golden piece, and finally the last step, I just slide the golden piece, and like you can see, the puzzle is back in its original positions. So the key is to maintain the silver piece always in the same positions. If you like Hanayama puzzle, you can check the playlist on the screen. Maybe you find a solution for one of your puzzles.